Hi everyone. In this video, I am sharing the various programs offered by IIT Bhubaneswar for SC category. So, for JEE 2026, IIT Bhubaneswar SC category choice filling, it is based on the opening and closing rank 2025. Have a look on this video. So, for civil engineering program, the cutoff rank is 2203 to 2872. For female category, 2833 to 3644. For computer science and engineering program, 344 to 747. For female category, 1158 to 1330. For electrical engineering program, 1524 to 1828. For female, 2175 is the cutoff rank. For electronics and communication engineering, gender neutral, 987 to 1481 is the cutoff. For female category, 1476 is the cutoff. For engineering physics program, 2568 to 2874 is the cutoff. Similarly, for female category, 3531 is the cutoff. For mathematics and computing program, gender neutral, 989 to 1200 is the cutoff. For female category, 2114 is the cutoff. For mechanical engineering program, 1859 to 2479. For female category, 3073 to 3388. For metallurgical and materials engineering program, 2742 to 3054. For female category, 3877 is the cutoff rank. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe my channel Dinpri. Thank you.